They want to chase the bird. Wait for me.
This year, we skipped the usual birthday party. Walang handaan, walang celebration, just a peaceful and happy day by the beach. Dinala ko ang mga anak ko sa Oceano Symphony Beach as a birthday treat. Simple lang, pero punong-puno ng love, laughter, and bonding. Sometimes, the best celebrations are the quiet ones. Just us, the sea, and special moments together.
Tama po kayo, andito kami ngayon sa beach. Kasama ko ang aking mga chikiting. Oh my god, mainit na siya. But anyway, we are here. Oh my god, meron. Go, go, go! Oh, no, 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 no! Come on! Wow! Hinahabol ni Chantal yung mga uwak. Anyways, andito kami ngayon kasi ititrip ko yung mga bata dito sa dito sa Oceano Symphony. Go, go, go! Oh my god. Oh my god, I wanna do my intro, but then hindi ko siya magawa ng maayos kasi nga si Chantal habol ng habol sa mga uwak dito, tapos papuntang tubig. Ang laki pa naman ng alon, so kailangan talagang bantayan. Hey, look! Wow! We go there. Hi! Chantal, can you say hello, people? Say hello! Hindi siya namamansin. Sabi ko nga, kami, maglakad-lakad doon. Yan. I told them to jalan-jalan farther, but they don't want. Sabi ni Chantal, no. Because they are having fun in here. Pinapalaro ko sila. I don't know, maybe not yet. So, nag-order kami ng drinks there sa restaurant. While waiting, bumaba muna kami dito just to look around. Dito lang kami sa Tanjung Bunga, on the way to Batu Ferringhi. This place is quite famous dito sa Penang Island. Kung gusto mong pumunta sa mga beaches, tabi ng dagat na mga restaurants. Kasi maganda yung view, ayan. Diba, ang ganda ng view. So anyway, pabalik muna kami dun sa restaurant. Sobrang init na. Let's go, Nak, let's go. What is that? What is that?
What is that? A Buddhism statue or something? Or is it just a design?
I don't know. Balik muna kami dito sa restaurant.
People would pray to.
Balik muna kami dito sa sa restaurant, pero hindi ako makapag-vlog masyado kasi ang ingay ng music nila. Makaka-perahin tayo. Okay? Check is now almost 7 PM pero sobrang init pa din niya. Ayan si Chantal.
Oh, come here.
Ay, sobrang likot. Sobrang likot. So, I decided na uuwi na lang kami. Pupunta kami ng ibang place. Maybe indoor playground para pwede pa din silang makapaglaro. I always see this in the Facebook photos.
Hey, it's sunny here. There's no more sun. I want to play.
Careful.
There's no more sun, Mama.
Oh, but oh, it's dirty.
Hey, there's no sun.
Hmm?
There's no sun, Mama.
There, got boat.
No, there's no sun. I want to play.
Akala namin uuwi na kami kasi sobrang init pala dun banda. And then dito medyo natatabunan siya ng buildings. Then pagdaan namin pwede na palang maglaro yung mga kids dito. So pagbigyan muna natin mga paglaro ng gawa daw sila ng sandcastle.
Oh.
Oh. Yay! See? I'm wet! My God! I'm wet, Chantal. Mommy is wet! Oh no! See? The waves is coming! Oh my God! I wanna see here. Sobrang ganda pala ng... Ay my goodness. Sana hindi ito nangangagat. Pag nangangagat, pasensya na lang. Woo! Ito ako nagsuot ng tsinelas. Oh my goodness. May mga bangka dito. Ayan. Ang daming bangka. Alright, this is the view. Here, balik na ako kasi yung dalawang chikiting ko. Wala nang init. I'm actually looking for a boat na may plano akong puntahan na island dito din sa sa Penang. And naghahanap ako ng boat. Pero hindi pa naman siya agad-agad na next time pag meron ng budget at saka merong oras or siguro mga school holidays para free yung mga kids. And also ako anytime naman kasi pag mag-a-apply ng mag-a-apply ng leave na lang. Oh my goodness, aray ko. Wala nang init. let's check Crystal Sandcastle. Kung ano yung progress.
Mama, I need help.
Wow!
I want to put something here.
Okay.
I don't know what to put.
Okay, I help you.
And collect your shells. I'm going now. Make sure she doesn't destroy my castle. Yay! Yay, Mama, look! Mama, look at my castle!
Wow! Wow!
Does it look nice?
Hmm?
And doesn't it look nice?
Yes? Of course.
What do you like the most?
The one I help you to build.
Oh. See.
Can you video, mommy? I wanna put... I wanna write Crystal and Chantal on the...
Huh?
Crystal and Chantal, okay?
Okay, here.
Huh?
Here.
Oh, you put...
Huh? Ah, no, no. It's okay, Mama. Yeah?
Okay.
You wrote it halfway though.
Only this one left. Never mind. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go, we wash hands.
It's so fun.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go na. The waves is getting bigger na, oh. Let's go. Hello, we are waiting here sa car. Nihintay lang namin si Chantal na lumabas. Chantal, I'm with Chantal here. Chantal, see there got a lot of birds. Come on, see that? A lot of birds. You see the birds? Sobrang kulit. So, we are here sa school ni Crystal. Susunduin lang namin. Then after that, lalabas kami ulit. Kasi kahapon, supposed to be after namin mag-beach. Or, actually, kahapon dun sa Ocean Symphony Restaurant, wala silang cake. Ipapablow ko sana tong dalawang to sa kanilang birthday candle. But then, wala doon. Kaya, kadalasan nakikita ko mga drinks lang ata yun. Pang mga bar drinks ba. And then, kinagabihan, parang it's too late na para mag-cake for these two little girls. Look at Chantal. Sobrang kulit na. And today is her birthday. Happy birthday, little girl. Look at the baby Chantal. You see her face here. Come on. Come on. Flying kiss. Oh my gosh. Sobrang kulit na talaga niya as in. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Tingnan nyo. She said, climb, climb, climb. Climb. By the way, nagdala na lang pala ako ng damit ni Crystal para hindi na kami uuwi. Tapos magla-lunch kami sa labas. And then after that, mag-blow ng kanilang birthday cake, birthday candle. hindi na kami naghanda sa bahay kasi wala din naman kaming parang wala akong bisita. Kung meron man, parang dalawa lang. Tapos parang practical na sa aking sitwasyon, parang mas practical na na lang, pang igala ko na lang yung mga bata. So yun, kakain sa labas. So yun lang. Come on. Ayan, mahilig din pag nakikita niya ako nag-aayos, gusto niya rin magpapalagay ng lipstick. Pero ito lang yung nilalagay ko sa kanya kasi siya, tawag nito, plant-based ba na lipstick. Safe siya for the babies. So ito lang yung nilalagay ko sa kanya. Be careful. Let's go. We take Chiche. Chiche, where's Chiche? Where? Where's Chiche? Chiche, where? Hi. Chantal. Hi. Chiche, what are you doing? Art. Can you show to us what are you doing?
This thing. It's in the restaurant.
We are here in Sukiya's restaurant inside the mall. Actually, we don't have plan to dine in here, but then I was like looking around for a cake shop because we wanna buy just a small cake for Crystal and Chantal. So we just bought from Bread History, and then tamang-tama na nadaanan namin dito sa Sukiya na wala masyadong tao, tahimik lang. So I decided to come in here after we got the cake, and then I think I will just let my kids blow the candle here. And mag-order na rin kami ng drinks and maybe some noodles. We'll see what they have. So these are the drinks they have. And by the way, I really like this restaurant kasi wala silang music. Hindi magkaka-copyright yung aking video. Alright, so these are the menu.
Put the watermelon too.
Also the drinks. Baby, what drinks you want? What drinks you want?
I want pink lemonade.
Pink lemonade, okay. Alright. How about Chantal? What do you want, Chantal?
Chantal, which one?
Which one? Cheese? Oh, you like pink lemonade? Are you sure?
What about peach tea? I don't know if you can drink that.
I want to try matcha lemonade.
Oh, Chantal, you want just lemonade?
Okay. Okay, I'll go and take our
Chantal
order.
will have just the normal lemonade.
Alright.
Mama!
Yes, why are you crying? Huh? Why are you crying? Look at your face. Why are you crying? Oh. Okay, let's wait, okay? You have to wait. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Be patient, Chantal. Okay, good. Good.
Chantal, let's wait for the lighter and then we light the cake, then blow, and then we can eat, okay? Wait. You wanna play with the toy first? Now, can you give me the art?
Okay, so andito na yung order namin. But then wala silang lighter. And hindi rin daw sila gumagamit ng fire sa pagluluto, electric lang daw. So we don't have choice. We just pretend to our candle, imaginary fire. So this is for Chiche. This is for Chantal. Okay, and then we sing happy birthday. Sing. Ready, get set, go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Chiche and Chantal.
Yes, blow the
Yay!
cake.
Blow the cake.
Okay.
Okay. Happy birthday. Chantal, happy birthday. Let's kiss baby.
Let's remove the candle.
Okay, you can eat now. Kakain na lang muna kami. And then nakakahiya naman na kami lang iba kain. Hindi kami nahimbita sa amo ang handa. But anyway, wala talaga kaming handa kasi this is the practical way of celebrating the birthday of my babies. Kasi siguro pag sa Pinas, mas worth it siya na maghanda talaga. Pero dito kasi hindi masyado parang kung maghahanda ka, wala ka masyadong bisita. Sayang lang yung pagkain. So for now, we're having our food and then yeah, let's say bye. 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 Bye.
Thank you for watching.